What's going on, guys? It's Trial with Trial Amazing Photography, and welcome to today's video where we're going to be doing some bird photography. It's been quite a while, if I'm being honest, since we've been out in the field, so I'm really excited to be out here today. If you want to see some landscapes, some birds, some wildlife, pretty much any kind of photography, even portraiture, it's on this channel. So before we get into today's video, definitely make sure that you go down below and like today's video, and while you're down there, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's go look for some birds and get some awesome shots. Changing like crazy. It's going from cloudy one minute to real bright and sunny the next. It's also really windy, and none of the above are really ideal conditions for birds, especially when it's 3 in the afternoon. Unfortunately, with my schedule is really hectic this time of the year, so very rarely am I actually able to get out and shoot. So I can't do it at sunrise, I can't do it at sunset. So it's just I'm kind of getting out to be in the field right now at any time I can, even if it's during less than ideal conditions, which it is currently right now. Hopefully I'll see a bird, or I mean even some normal kind of animal before the video ends. You all did just see that really beautiful B-roll of that eastern swallowtail butterfly. That was a really cool experience. It got really close to me and wasn't scared. It loves these purple flowers. And these purple flowers are everywhere right now, so hopefully we're going to see some birds, because this is a bird photography video, and I'm confident that we will. So we just got to be patient and wait, and hopefully something's going to show up. So this is a bird photography video, and I'm yet to see a single bird. And I've been out here for roughly 30 minutes, give or take a few. And don't get me wrong, we've got some wonderful B-roll. We've seen some really beautiful butterflies. We've seen a viceroy, we've seen an eastern tiger stripe. But I'm just not seeing any birds. And that's not good, because this is bird photography. Oh, I just heard a bird. I heard a bird chirp. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. I'm actually currently at a crossover from where I cross over from this stretch of land onto another stretch of land, and there's like a stream in between it. And there's a creek on down this way. I'm actually headed towards the creek at the moment, because birds really do like to be around water sources. I've noticed, if there's one thing I've noticed doing bird photography, it's that. So hopefully I'm going to get down here and I'm going to see some birds around the water and trees. I'm really hopeful through this area that we're about to go through. So I'm going to go down through here and check things out, and fingers crossed we're going to see some birds and not butterflies. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're really pretty, but we're here for birds. So let's go do that. Okay, so I did just see a blue jay, as you all saw, and I also seen a turkey vulture. I am absolutely burning up. It is so hot outside. And when you get hot and kind of sweaty, bugs like to, you know, swarm you and attack you. And I'm starting to get bugs following me around, and it's becoming kind of a nuisance. I'm in the shade, as you all can tell. That makes the bugs even worse. But I didn't get video of either one of the birds. A lot of the times in photography, things happen so fast, you don't really get the chance to get videography and photography both out of the occurrence, for lack of a better term. Hopefully, we're going to see more birds, but I'm not going to be staying out here too much longer in this heat. And the fact that it's summer and everything is bloomed out and there's leaves on the trees, it's a lot harder to spot the birds. And when you do spot them, it can be really difficult to get a good photo of them. So hopefully we'll see more birds. Maybe we won't. Those weren't the greatest shots of all time. But at least we have had an encounter with birds in this bird photography video at this point. So I'm going to continue on. I'll probably be out here for maybe another 30 minutes. Hopefully I'll get some more video footage and some more photography. If not, that's alright. So, yeah. So literally nothing else. That bug is so loud. I'm trying to film. Nothing else has happened at all since the last time that I spoke with you all in the last location. I haven't seen any other birds or any other even butterflies. It's just been, it's not been great. And a big part of that is the time of day and the heat. And it makes things even more difficult, the fact that I can't see really good because of undergrowth and leaves and all of that. I do appreciate you all watching this video. However, it means the absolute world to me. Thank you all so much for being here and watching. If you want to help support me, definitely make sure that you subscribe and like today's video. That's the biggest way you can help me. You can also help me by purchasing my book. Ebook versions, hard copy versions, they start at $10. You can use the links down below in the description. It's got some of the best wildlife and landscape photos you'll ever see. Thank you all so much for watching today's video once again, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.